In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add admin team member to Acuity Scheduling. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to acuityscheduling.com. From in there, click on this Get Started in order to create an account or click on this Login option. You'll also head over to squarespace.com and then create an account from there. So let's head over right here into my account. I have in here this particular site that I have created. What you can do is you can just enter your site. So for example, I have in here this site. Let's just head over and access the settings. You can do so by clicking onto this gear icon right here into your actual site. Then from in there, click on this permissions and ownership. Click on this right here. After that, proceed to click onto this invite contributor. From this, you will be prompted to log in again to your Squarespace to verify that it's you. Let's click onto this right here in order to successfully log in. So choose right here account. Once you're successfully verified, click onto this invite contributor again. Click on continue and proceed to actually continue with your actual account. You can choose right here the contributor name and their email address. So just input that right here. Then input right here their email address. Choose right here their actual permission such as administrator. If you want to add them as admin team member, this one is the right option. You can change right here the permissions and after that click on this invite option in order to invite that person. As you can see, the invitation has been sent. So when that person actually responds to it, they can actually be an admin team member into your actual Acuity scheduling. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you